After hearing all that has been said about Diddy so far in his trial, there is nothing that really proves Diddy is a criminal, but rather a freak. Insiders indicate that Diddy may still walk free if his trial continues to flow like this.
People go into these cases with, and I'm not blaming them, not judging them. They already go in with preconceived notions. They have a side. They don't want to hear what the other side is. And unfortunately, that's our job, is to present both sides. And, that's what the point of a trial is. But you mentioned the freak-off tapes, or these alleged freak-off tapes. Just to be clear and set the record straight, has anybody in that courtroom, including the jury, seen actual footage of sex tapes?
They're definitely, yes. But no one else except the jury. There was a whole fight about this. And there's a media coalition, right? They have this, it's like Davis, Wright, and Tremaine. They didn't really fight much more. They put in a single filing saying there's a constitutional right to see evidence in trial, which I agree with. They then proposed that there be pool reporters. This was also shot down by the judge, citing the Ghislaine Maxwell case. So basically, the jurors will have a screen and headphones, and that's it. No one else can see it. I think, personally, I'll say this. I use the word allegedly a lot. I'm pretty sure the tapes exist. In the sense that I don't even think that the defense is saying that there weren't, multiple partner sex events that were filmed. I don't think that's part of their defense. The question is whether it was consensual, or whether, even if it was somehow abusive, if it really makes it a racketeering case. So I was sort of asked, do I want to join into unseal the freak-off tapes? And I'm not sure what people would do with it. I mean, credible media probably wouldn't show, violent porn, or I don't know, who knows if it's violent. I haven't seen it. It might be important though, because it might be important for someone, whether it's a pool reporter or not, to see it, because the question becomes, their defense is basically going to be, yes, he has a freaky sex life. Yes, he has threesomes. Yes, he films things. Yes, he pays escorts to come in and have sex with his girlfriend. But is that racketeering? That's their defense. And I think, in a way, the way the jurors may vote may depend on how they view not just the idea that there's a tape of a threesome being shown to them in a federal court, but how does it seem? What are the right? And which ones do they choose? Because it sounds like there was some violence in some of them, at least.
All right, man. So far, what we know about Diddy case is that they only can pinpoint that he is a freak. That's what we know for sure. And do we get abusive? Of course, right? But on another note, they can't really say that Diddy is really a criminal. They're still trying to develop evidence to prove that. Even though I know deep down on some CIA type shit, unclassified, they got evidence for everyone in this world. Ain't no one safe, man. They got satellite be watching y'all. Y'all ain't even know it, man. Your phone screen watching y'all ain't even know it. But they can't release that type of information because they know that's going against your right. So even if they want to take down someone, that's like the last case scenario, because that's like a breach of security. But they know everything they should know about Diddy, man. It's just all about trying to prove it in court. So, yeah, as simple as it can be, man. It's just trying to prove it legally in court. But they know exactly who Diddy is. And Diddy know they know. It's all a game, man. It's all about cops and robbers. You know I'm a robber, you a cop. You understand the game. No trying to catch me. You know what I mean? So it's one of those things, man. But share your thoughts and comments. Let me know how you feel about this. It is OB Media. Remember, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for your precious time. Have a wonderful, beautiful day or night. See y'all later.